We are entering a new era of design and manufacturing, with exciting opportunities driven by innovation, collaboration, and data. Transformation is necessary, but how do you turn it into value? The need for innovation has never been greater. 77% of industrial machinery executives say changing customer expectations is their biggest concern. Products and projects have to be smart, results-driven, sustainable, and delivered on time. There is a way to accelerate transformation, automate manual tasks, and get products and projects to your customers faster and better. It's time to take command of your data, connecting all aspects of the business, from top floor to shop floor, to the entire supply chain, enabling better, faster, more accurate decisions and better collaboration internally and externally, helping accelerate your transformation from selling products to selling outcomes. The new era of design and manufacturing will belong to the innovators, to the imaginative, to the pioneers. The best time to act was yesterday. The second best time is now. Whatever journey you are on, Autodesk is there with you, a partner to help you design the future and deliver real value from digital transformation.